Every time that I use it, I get more in love with the gun. The difference in weight means a lot at the end of the day. It's very light, it's very comfortable when you maneuver all the way around. Once you pull, it's very smooth, very soft. You don't even have to fight. You just barely pull it and the trigger goes all the way. With one gun, you can have your 2 fingers, or you can put it in 4 fingers or even 3 fingers. With the other guns, you can't do that. You pull the cartridge, you take it apart with 2 fingers, put everything back together, plug it in, and ready to go. With this gun, you can keep painting probably the whole day. So no overlap marks with this gun, no wasting of material. Gun is good. It's awesome. That's all what I can say. It's awesome.